Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today we will be looking at a quick intro of Microsoft Teams. So, what is Microsoft Teams? So, it's a collaboration app which can be used as a group chat software and also for video conferencing. It has its own app and it can be also used on web browsers. So, first we are going to see how it looks on the web browser. So, I'm going to open my web browser. And to log into Microsoft Teams and use it on the web, just type the URL address as www.microsoft.com and in Microsoft 365 Microsoft Teams and then log in. After that, press enter. You will reach this page and now you have to sign in with your work or school account. If you don't have your work or school account registered, then tell your organization to go to office.com. Tell them to sign in and then they will be able to see Teams. So now we will click on sign in and here we have the Microsoft Teams. So by clicking on the triple dots you will get to see all the Microsoft apps, and this is how the web interface is. Okay, so I'm going to also show you how the desktop interface is. So here I have the Microsoft Teams desktop app. So they both look familiar with each other, but there are some missing features in the web app, and I'm going to tell you what are those. So first, let's see the features which you can also do in web and in the desktop app. Here you can see we have a profile picture. This is a boring profile picture. You can change this picture by clicking on change picture and then you will upload a picture. So I'll upload this picture and I will click on save. So now I'll click on close and here you can see that my profile picture is changed. You can also set your status. So right now I'm available. I can state as busy, state as do not disturb, and also a lot more. So I will click on do not disturb, and now do not disturb is a little setting changer, so do some priority setting changes. But if you set it to do not disturb, then you will get a notification that you will only get notifications for urgent messages and from your priority contacts. So I'll set my status to do not disturb. Now you can also state status message. So if I write something like we all should work together as a team, and then I'm writing this app is for nothing but for becoming a true team. Now you can show this when people message me because I want them to be a better team, and now I don't want to clear this message. So I'll change it to this week. So let's see if our team improvements are happening. So now I'll click on done. and now you can see it will show you a message. Just cross it. Now you have some settings. So now you have some theme. So right now it's default. You can do dark and high contrast. One thing you have to notice that, like, if your settings, you choose your color to be dark, and like if everything is even on dark mode, Microsoft Teams remains light, and even the web also is light. Just the above places are your dark. So if you want to enable the dark mode, don't enable the dark theme in your desktop settings. You have to go to team settings and now set it as dark. Now the third option is very interesting. It is the high contrast. It makes crazy colors and makes things very fascinating. Like it's very bright and very good looking. So it's a very type of crazy, but I do not want it. I just want a dark one. And now you have some application settings. Some of these settings are not available in the web app. You only have the option to turn off animations. All of these options are just available in the desktop app. So now it's telling auto start application, open application in background. Now I have disabled it because if you open it in background, this can slower your computer speed. On close, keep the application running. Okay, I want some notifications, so let's keep it running. Now, disable GPU hardware acceleration. This will require restarting Teams. You can register Teams as a chat app for Office, and this one is the most important, guys. Turn on the new meeting experience. This gives Teams a new meeting experience, and the new experience is only available for the desktop app. And I'll be showing you in a few minutes that how the new meeting experience looks and how the old one looked like. Okay, and now just do your settings according to your choice, and you can also do them. You have privacy, notifications, devices, and call settings also. If you want, you can change them. Now here you have the option for zooming your Teams. So you can make it small, you can make it big, and to restore it to the default, you can just click on zoom reset. And now here you can see that we have a team. So if you are signed in with your work organization, then you will surely get a team, and there you can chat. So I am the creator of this team, and I will get ahead and start a new conversation. So now I can write, hi, what's up? I can give emojis, I can give gifs, I can give stickers, and now I'll just give a simple emoji, which is smile, and I'm going to click on send, and now it will send. Here you can see that when I'm clicking on the reply button, some extra features are coming around. So yes, these features are not coming here but in the reply button. So now you have these things, and now you can use them accordingly. Okay, so now here you can see that we have a lot of options. So this Teams is the main part where you can do your collaboration, your chattings and all. And this is for the team chatting. If you want to do personal chats, let's say someone is my favorite member, I don't want to chat with him in the team. Personally, I want to chat. Go to chat, and now you can click on this button to chat with the personal person. And if you want, like, you want to make a group of some people which you like the most, and you want to have some personal group chats, then you can also do that. So what you have to do that, you have to just take someone, and then by clicking on this you can give a group name. I'll just cross it for now, and I'm just going to delete it. In the activity you will get to see what people are doing. Let's say they're giving some chat to you, they're giving some team chat, personal chat, they are giving you a call. All will be available here. And in the calendar you will be able to schedule video conferencings. And now you can see that we have the option of new meeting. You can schedule or we can meet now. So I'll meet now and I'll show you the new meeting experience. So what I will do is that I will compare it with the desktop interface and the web interface. So I'm going to bring up the web interface and meet now. And now I'll join both of them. Here you can see the difference between the web and the desktop. So here you can see we have a boring bar around with very less options, and here you have some options, but here we have many more options which are very less compared to here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to just end the meetings, and before that I would like to tell you about some features. Here you can turn your video on, here you can unmute yourself or mute yourself, and here you have some options. Here you can see your chat, and here you can see your participants. And now here also you are going to see your participants by going to here. So because I've just faded into the screen, it's looking like this, but if I zoom it a little, it changes the look like this. So let's again bring back that thing, and now let's leave the meeting. So I'll hang up. Okay, well, I have done. And now let's see some more things. In the calls you will be able to see speed dials, you will be able to see contacts, you will be able to see history, you will be also able to do voicemails. In the files you will get to see the recent files which you have opened, to the Microsoft Teams files. And now they have not posted any files till yet. In downloads you can download your files. In the OneDrive you will be able to see your OneDrive files. Okay. And now here you can see that what is this. So if you want to add some apps, like I want OneNote also in Teams, you can add many apps to Teams and just do all of them. So some people don't want them, some people want them, so they have just enabled it partially. But these all will be enabled by default, and if you don't want them, like I don't want this calls, so you can just unpin it. I want OneNote and just pin it. OneNote will be available every time I open Microsoft Teams. So that's how you can use Microsoft Teams. So that's it, and hope you liked this video, and comment down below if you want more tutorials on Microsoft Teams. And till then, goodbye guys.